Welcome back to MS Tech, and obviously by the title of the video you can kind of guess what's happening. We've read your comments, we understand that you guys think associating a face with all of our videos that we make is a better idea, and so pretty much that's why I'm standing here in front of you today. With that being said, I won't waste any more of your time. Hi, I'm TechBarn. Pretty much, I guess you could say this is a face reveal because of your guys' comments. We have never done anything like it. We have never stood in front of a camera, and to be honest, this is my first time. Now, I can't say I'm good at it, but I hope that down the road I can slowly get better, and as time goes on, not only will our video quality get better, but as well, my presenting skills will get better. I guess you could ask why I'm showing my face in this video today. I'm pretty much a nobody. Our channel has a little bit over 3,000 subscribers, but other than that, we're pretty much nobodies. The reason for that is because obviously we've read your guys' comments. Every single one you post on any MS Tech video, we view and we read and we take into consideration. And one comment we saw quite frequently was that if we associate a face with all of our videos, it will add a bit more personality and interact with you guys a bit more, which is, again, something we want to do completely, because all these videos that we make on MS Tech are 100% for you guys. Myself, being a big MS Tech fan in the past, when Matt used to make videos, I used to love watching his videos. And so being given his platform now to make videos for you guys, I'm honored. So from the bottom of my heart, Matt, just like to say thank you, because it means the world to me to be given this chance. And as well, thank you to you guys, the viewers, who, even though it's not Matt, you guys are still sticking around watching the videos. Again, I'm trying my best to incorporate Matt every now and then in the videos, but with the distance that from where we are, it's a bit hard. But again, I'm doing everything I can to make sure you guys get good content while still having a bit of Matt here and there. Now, another thing we like to say is thank you. Thank you for not completely ripping us to shreds on the first video we uploaded on MS Tech. We understand that it was an abrupt change, and even myself, I wasn't ready for it. But from the bottom of my heart, thank you for not completely destroying us, and obviously giving us some feedback as to what we can do better, what we didn't do right, what we did right. It really helps us out in tailoring these videos completely to you guys. Another thing we'd like to say is, honestly, if you guys have any feedback, criticism, suggestions, video ideas, please leave them down below in the comment section, because without knowing what you guys want, what you guys like, what you guys don't like, it's impossible for us to make videos completely for you guys. So if you guys could just take a little bit of time out of the day to comment down below what you'd like to see, what you'd like changed, what you'd like more of, what series you like less of, it helps us out a bunch, because we read every single comment, and whatever you guys say, we try our best to accommodate with it. With that being said, that brings us to the end of the video. If you stuck around till the end and watched me talk in front of a camera for the first time for a couple minutes, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And so from the bottom of my heart, I like to say thank you. And if you like what you see, subscribe down below, drop a like, comment what you'd like to see down the road. And as always, stay classy.